In today's Delft Stack tutorial video, we'll learn how to check the version of Safari on your iPhone. Whether you're troubleshooting, making sure you're up to date, or just curious, this simple process will help you find your Safari version in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is the app that looks like a gear icon, usually located on your home screen. Once you have the Settings app open, scroll all the way down until you reach the Apps section. Tap on Apps to open the list of all apps installed on your device. Now that you're in the Apps section, scroll down until you find Safari. Safari is usually located near the middle of the list since it's one of the default apps that comes pre-installed on iPhones. Once you find Safari, tap on it to open its settings page. In the Safari settings, you'll see various options to customize how Safari behaves on your iPhone. These settings include things like privacy, content blockers, and general browsing preferences. Before we continue, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more tutorials like these. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the Safari settings, where you'll see an option called Advanced. While you're in the Advanced menu, tap on Website Data. Now, while there's no direct option to view the Safari version in Website Data, you can still see related data for websites that Safari has stored. However, to find the exact Safari version, we need to use a different method. If you're still unsure about the version of Safari running on your device, the quickest way to find it is by checking the overall iOS version your device is using. Since Safari is part of iOS, updating iOS will automatically update Safari. To check your iOS version, head back to the Settings app. Tap on General and then tap About. Here you'll see the version number displayed next to Software Version. Since Safari is integrated with iOS, this version reflects the Safari version as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to tap the subscribe button for more tutorials like this. We bring you simple, easy to follow guides every week to help you get the most out of your tech. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.